Hi, this is Janet. Here's a quick video about how you can invite your student to your lesson in Zoom or Koala Go. So the easiest thing to do, if you want to invite them in Zoom, I have this down on my bar so I can access it. And for every meeting, in my case, I have my settings so that I have the same personal ID, and I believe you're randomly assigned this ID. And then there's another video I have if you are interested in setting yours up this way, where you go and indicate that you want this to be the ID you sign in with each time. And there's a reason I do that I'll show you in a second. But when I want to start a meeting with the student, you can schedule and get into all that. I just do simply opening a new meeting, go to this More tab and copy invite link, and then I would go to my email box, put in the email of my students along with the subject, and I would paste that link and send it. And they would know to check their email at the time we're meeting, click on that link, and they would automatically get invited into my lesson. So that's one way you can do it for Zoom. And Koala Go, I have a Koala Go meeting opened here. And my video is not on, but typically it would be on, and my students' video would be on over there as well. And once you have the meeting opened, and you're in it, your student's not in it yet, you would click invite student and copy the link. And once again, go to your email box. And of course, you wouldn't be sending both links, but just one of these, and paste your Koala Go link and send it to your student's email. And they would know to click on that in order to get invited. Okay, another option, go to your website if you have one, and I have an online classroom tab, and I can embed those same links on that page, and I just tell my families to go ahead and bookmark this on their computer, so then when it's time for a meeting, they just open this page up and click on the Koala Go or the Zoom link, and I'll be waiting on the other end and let them into the meeting. So hopefully this gives you some good ideas to see how easy it is to invite your students into your meeting.